painted them to make it look like a ladybug. We added plants, we filled it with sticks, a layer of compost, and finally soil.
We filled our planters with soil generously given us by a landscaping company from Homestead.
The garden beds with cinder blocks that we used in our previous garden. They were filled with a layer of sticks, black cow compost, and soil. We planted different types of herbs, tomato plants, and flowers that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. We planted most of the seeds in December and January, and then transplanted them into the garden once they were big enough.
These planters are growing morning glory flowers, which were grown from seed in February. Soon the fence will be covered in these beautiful, glorious flowers.
Our school is located near several nurseries, and when we told them about our school garden, they were generous enough to donate many flowers.
Donated were propagations from a first grader's home garden, such as Thai basil, Cecil spinach, and cherry tomato plants.
A group of moms helped dig the holes, and scholars from kindergarten and second grade planted plants around the trees and the edges of the garden, as you can see right here.
These towers were very inexpensive, costing under $10 each.
We've had this rain barrel at our school for years, but it was previously filled with leaves. We cleaned it out, we painted it, and added a mesh strainer on top to collect the leaves or buds without getting inside.
Mulch helps keep the soil moist. All of the moisture on the ground was donated by mulch supplier in Homestead.
All these pallets were free from Facebook Marketplace. As you can see, we use milk jugs to plant aloe, pepper, basil, and different varieties of plants here. The other pallet planters actually were used as pencil holders by the teachers in second grade, but they were donated to us for the garden, so now we use them as plant products.
These buckets were actually pickle and soup buckets that we found in the cafeteria. One of the moms who volunteered to help us drilled holes in the bottom of them, painted them, and now we use them as planters for our tomatoes and peppers. You can see these are the beefsteak tomato and the bell pepper.
These planters were donated by a parent who built them to replace the previous ones made by the STEM teachers because they were old and rot by the termites. We have rosemary, tomato, and marigold.
Scholars from kindergarten painted these rocks. We made this bird feeder out of popsicles.
The flowers on the fence were made out of recycled water bottles. We also used popsicle sticks to make the labels for all of our plants. Fifth grader scholars decorated them.
This bench was made out of some cinder blocks we had left over from our last school garden, and the wood was given to us by our school STEM teachers who had extra wood from a project they were working on.